If achy knees make going up the stairs a challenge, this simple herbal tonic will be worth adding to your routine. Today, you'll learn how to make an anti-inflammatory tea that's used to support joint comfort and healthy mobility. For this remedy, you'll need 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 inch of fresh ginger, a dash of black pepper, and 1 to 2 cups of water. Nettle is naturally anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of nature's best-known compounds for joint support. Ginger promotes healthy circulation, and black pepper dramatically improves the absorption of turmeric. To start, cut your ginger into small, thin slices. The thinner the better so that the plant compounds can release into your tonic. You can leave the peel on your ginger and use more or less depending on how spicy you want your tea. Next, add 1 to 2 cups of water to a medium saucepan and bring to a gentle boil over medium-low heat. When the water comes to a boil, add the dried stinging nettle leaf, or if you want to take the recipe to the next level, you can add some concentrated stinging nettle tincture for a boosted effect. Then add your ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to activate the turmeric's healing compounds, and of course, your sliced ginger. You can also use some additional anti-inflammatory ingredients like fresh pineapple slices, 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed, or a cinnamon stick. This also adds to the flavor of your tea. Reduce the heat and let your tea simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat, cover it with a lid, and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes before you strain the herbs into a large glass measuring cup. If you'd like, you can also add a teaspoon of raw honey for sweetness. Pour your tea into your favorite mug and enjoy. Traditionally, this tea is enjoyed 1 to 3 times a day. Herbal remedies like this work gradually, so consistency is often more important than large amounts. Wellness is holistic, so be sure to pair your tonic with gentle movement, stretching, and strengthening exercises to help support healthy joints from multiple angles. You can store any leftover tea in a sealed glass jar in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. Depending on your preference, you can enjoy your tea hot or iced. Either way, this tea is a great choice for adults experiencing everyday knee stiffness, occasional joint discomfort, or age-related wear and tear.